Good morning, children. We are back again with our history class. In our previous class, we have learned about Neolithic culture, Neolithic age, and we have already learned about the changes that has come in Neolithic. Okay. So another change we can learn that today's topic is tools and technology. Now see, when the Paleolithic has started, okay, at that time the tools which was used in that period of time, and when Mesolithic came, the tools shapes has reduced, fine. But when Neolithic came, the tools has been polished. Okay. See here, that tools, you can say that tools were again redesigned. That means from the big tools, it has came to a smaller, that is microliths, and from microliths again the tools which was used in Neolithic, that has been redesigned. Again it has been designed. Okay. The axe, okay, by polishing and grinding its edges. That means the side part was being grinded out. That means in this tool they used to polish this side, the edges, okay, to make it in a proper shape. Sickles, okay, sickles were also invented and were used to harvest crops. You might have seen this one kind of tool that is used for cutting the crops. Okay, that is kind of hook. You might have seen the tools it's like a hook, but it is in that period in Neolithic it was known as sickles. Okay, and the shape was this kind of. Grinders were used to grind grain, were made of placing stone. One stone, the up, this one stone, and the up one small stone was there, and with this they used to grind the different kind of crops, or you can say different kind of things. Okay, that was used to specially for grinding grains, and were also made for placing two stones where it was placed and used for different purpose. Got it? Pottery and weaving. Now see, they started making pottery and weaving clothes. Okay, cotton clothes were also being used in that period, and pottery were used because to store food. As you know that pots can raise the temperature. In the high temperature also the pots will not be destroyed. For that reason what happened, the pots and weaving clothes were also started using. Got it? Then grass basket, clay pottery. See, this grass basket, they used to make the basket with grass for making it different uses, and clay pottery was also started coming to store different grains. Okay, and this kind of tools and technology was being used. Clothes, they started wearing cotton clothes. Got it? Let us start with the social life. Now see, when we talk about social life, the people started interacting with each other, and that when they started forming a group, or when they started staying in a group, that was known as tribes. Okay. Now what is tribe, or what are tribes? See, tribes are the group of people who are related and share common customs and tradition. That means they used to stay together and they used to form a group, and where they used to share different kind of customs, tradition, everything. Okay, that was a tribe. And in a tribe, like in a home, you can see you have a head of the family, that is the father. In the same way, in the tribe also, they used to have one leader. Okay, and that leader used to control the tribe, and where the tribes was formed in different sections. Okay, one tribe was having a leader, and that leader used to control the tribe. Not only controlation, some kind of any conflict or sometime any kind of things was used to happen in the tribe. That leader, main duty of the leader was to solve any kind of problems, or look after the tribes. Okay, so this was about the social life. When we talk about economy, now economy means how they used to gather money. That time there was no, means you can say that the term was not used called money. Okay, that was not used. But economy, that means the resources where they used to get, that was divided into two parts. That is, division of labor was happened. Division of labor means in every family the duty was divided. Got it? Like family. Division of labor was happening in two parts. One is family and one is individual. Like every individual or every family, they used to get the duties. What kind of duty? Just see here. Farmers grew crops. So this was the duty of farmer to grow crops. Got it? Then you have weavers. Weavers' duty was to weave clothes. Got it? Next was this kind of barter system was been very popular not only in the Neolithic but after, when in the ages of history you will find this term again and again, that barter system was being used for exchange of goods, not money. There was no need of money, only goods was to be exchanged. Okay, so this was the economy pattern. Let us now learn about the religion. Now see here, when we talk about religion, they were, means we can say that they were loved of worshipping the nature. Okay, they were not believe in any kind of idols or anything, but they used to worship nature. Okay, that is, they used to think that the nature is their god. Okay, they worship also mother goddesses. You might have seen that in Neolithic, I have told you that after the end of the Mesolithic period, they started making sculptures. Okay, they started forming a different shape, and that different shape was also formed in a mother goddesses. So that goddesses they used to worship. Got it? Next, they used to believe in afterlife. That means they used to believe the concept of reborn. That means again you can say that the people or who has been died out, they will be getting birth again. Okay. For that reason, wherever the buried, means wherever the dead bodies was buried, they used to keep some different objects. You can say bury them with different objects. It is believed maybe needed afterlife. That means if they will get life. Okay, after when they die, and again if they get when they get life, they might get this kind of things. So they might get this kind of things, or you can say that this might be helpful for them when they will get rebirth. Got it? So this was the concept of religion. Now after religion, that means when the Neolithic started ending out, a new age came. What was that age name? It was named as Chalcolithic age. Now Chalcolithic means it is the starting of the metals. Okay. Neolithic has continued, but new discovery has happened. That was the first metal has come. What was that first metal? That first metal was known as copper. Okay. Towards the end of the Neolithic age, discovered the use of copper. That means this copper tool, or you can say this copper metal has been discovered. Okay. And for this cause only, for as the name was in the Latin words here, the chalcos meaning copper in Latin. For this cause, what happened? As copper has been found in that period, in that Chalcolithic age, for that reason also it was known as Chalcolithic age. Okay? And after copper, next is bronze. See, bronze is an alloy. Alloy is a mixture. Okay, mixture of two metals, that is copper and tin. Copper and tin are the mixture. Alloy is sometimes it happens with metals to metals, and sometimes with metals to non-metals. They make that in a molten part, and when it is in a molten state, they mix it and they form an alloy. Okay, and bronze was another metal. Alloy of copper and tin. Got it? Now, if we talk about occupation, now what occupation they have? They used to have agriculture and domesticate of animals. Still, the occupation was continuing. Now let us learn after this. Since Chalcolithic age, we have learned about the occupation, and if we talk about the cottons. If I talk about the clothes, they used to wear cotton clothes, some kind of flax, you can see the flax cloth that was made from linen cloth where they used to wear, okay, in the Chalcolithic age. The very, you can say the very important part of the Chalcolithic and Neolithic is the site, okay, where these archaeological sites, they have been found out that how this site or which places you will find this period. So let us learn now the two sites, that is Chalcolithic and the Neolithic sites. Now see here, Chalcolithic site is Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and West Bengal. Okay, these are the sites where you find this, you can say the Chalcolithic age. Okay, whatever things have happened in Chalcolithic, that you will find in these states. Got it? Next, you have Neolithic site. Neolithic site is in Mehergarh, one of the most oldest, you can say, the site of Neolithic. It is where it is in Balochistan, Pakistan. Okay, it is excavated in 1974 and 1986. Okay. Next, you have Burzaham. It is in Kashmir, and Northeast India, that is in Assam. So these are some of the Neolithic sites. These sites you will find that whatever things you have learned about the farmings, about the pottery, about the reason this age or this sites are known as Neolithic site. Got it, children? So this was the chapter of farmers and the herders. I hope you have understood the chapter. So let us start with your book work. Now see here, children. When we talk about agriculture, see, new words. Now agriculture, the growing of crops and the raising of animals for food, fiber and skin. You can learn this agriculture, new words. Revolution means a radical or a great change. You can learn a great change. Okay. Pit house, houses dug into the ground with steps leading down. Okay. You can learn houses dug into the ground. Got it? Axle, the rod placed at the center of the wheel that helps to rotate. Okay. Tribe, a group of people who have usually descended from a common ancestor and share common custom and okay. You can write about tribe that a tribe is a group of people who shares common customs and tradition. Okay. Next you have barter. See, barter, I have told you, exchange system. The earliest form of trade where goods were exchanged for other goods and not money. Okay. You can write in short or you can learn it that barter is the exchange of goods. Okay. And not money. Got it? Terracotta. Now terracotta is a fired clay that is hard and brownish red in color. It is usually unglazed and used for making pottery, jewelry and figurines. Okay. In terracotta you can learn that it is fired clay used for making pottery. Got it? Figurine means a small statue. Okay. Now let us start with choose the correct answer. See. Number 1. This was one of the first crop grown by the Neolithic people, that is barley. Okay, this was one of the earliest animals to be domesticated. As I told you, the fossil was been found that dog was been tamed. Okay, and you can say that it was been the first animal. Okay, that was been tamed. So you can write here it is dog. Next you have, this was a rod placed at the center of a wheel that helped it to rotate. What is the center of the wheel that it rotates? That is axle. Got it? One of the main Neolithic sites discovered in Kashmir. Just now we have learned. That is Burzahum. Okay? This is an alloy of copper, tin. What is the alloy of copper and tin is? Bronze. Got it? Now see here. Mark the following as true or false. Correct the ones that are false. See. The Neolithic age came between the Paleolithic and the Mesolithic. It is false. Why it is false? Because as they told you to correct the sentence, so look at the board. Look at the board that in the B number 1 false. Okay, why it is false? The reason is given. The Neolithic age came after Paleolithic. That means it is in the middle. Middle is Mesolithic and after Neolithic and Mesolithic it came what? Neolithic. Okay. Next is pit houses. See here. Pit houses were temporary tents made out of rubber. It is false. Why it is false? Look at the board. It is false. The reason is pit houses were dug into the grounds. Got it? Next number 3. Mehegar is located in Tripura. It is wrong. It is false. The correct answer is false. 3 number is false. Mehegar is located in Balochistan, that is Pakistan. Okay, you can see number 3 answer is given there. And number 4. The traces of Jadita discovery Dajoli heading indicates possible contacts with China. It is true. Okay, it is true. And last number, the word chalcos means chalk in Latin. It is wrong. It is false. The correct answer is the word chalcos meaning copper in Latin. So you got this? You have to write this in your copy. Got it? B number. Next, C, D. This answers you will be getting in PDF form. Got it, children? So complete your work. So we shall meet in the next class. Till then you can have a look on this page. You can, if you have a book, then please go through this page number 23, 22. This is about the site. Okay, very important sites are given here for the Neolithic. So you can go through these sites. Okay. So we shall meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.